I'm a survivor, devil's a liar. I'm living for the king and my soul is on fire. So if you feel me, put your hands in the air. Put your hands in the air. Put your hands up. I'm a survivor, devil's a liar. I'm living for the king and my soul is on fire. So if you feel me, put your hands in the air. Put your hands in the air. Put your hands up, yeah.
I'm pretty weighted and heavy late and the levee's breaking. The tears is flowing, I'm feeling crazy as Betty Davis. I've been to Haiti and back, I've seen the devastation. Unprecedented, but this ain't to Haiti, it's steady praising. Cause they survivors, they hold on to God's unchanging hand. They learn to trust in them even when there's a change of plans. Yeah, they understand the God of Abraham. Isaac and Jacob is with him even when he shakes the land. He brings beauty from ashes. You can ask Mandela, joy out of pain, butterflies from caterpillars. He collapses buildings, but those are character builders. Let me see your hands if you feel us, fellas. Say I'm a survivor,
devil's a liar. I'm living for the king and my soul is on fire. So if you feel me, put your hands in the air. Put your hands in the air. Put your hands up. I'm a survivor, devil's a liar. I'm living for the king and my soul is on fire.
We on fire,
so
baby.
if you feel me, put your hands in the air. Put your hands in the air. Put your hands up,
Yeah, I feel elated, feel real courageous. I feel these pages with Christian hope, cause we know that our ladder will be greater. My uncle laid on a hospital bed, debilitated, but Aunt Juanita believed the blood was a healing agent. So she persisted in prayer almost night and day, along with the family. Needless to say, he's alive today. Cause true survivors believe and hold what the Bible teaches, that only God is providing strength in a time of weakness. So when the storm is raging and the problems deepen, and when your marriage is broken up into tiny pieces, put your hope in God, even in the driest seasons. And if you know you survive with Jesus, say I'm a survivor,
devil's a liar. I'm living for the king and my soul is on fire. So if you feel me, put your hands in the air. Put your hands in the air. Put your hands up. I'm a survivor.
A minute bright and early, drinking tears, speaking barely. I'm dying soon, I assume that I should be buried. I kissed this girl and fell in love. Now what is Katy Perry when my life is barren, depressed and embarrassed, incoherent? It was okay, I perished. I was in love with myself. I was bleeding with my heart. My prayers, they had no avail. I think I love her, yeah, more than him.
but you ain't gotta live like that again, that you can turn and live.